Gumbo, of course, is a very special food that we eat. A lot of people don't like to eat it in the summertime, especially in Southeast Texas, Southwest Louisiana, because it's too hot. We don't care. We just lower the temperature in the house, and we cook our gumbo. And they call it the Trinity, is the mainstay, I think, of gumbo. And I guess Louisiana people call Trinity the onions, the bell peppers, and celery. We were never taught to make it with celery. So our third Trinity was actually green onions. So it gives it a little bit of a different taste, and it's very interesting. And nobody, and I don't care who they are, never makes the gumbo the same. You can make a batch at 2 o'clock, and at 5 o'clock you make another batch, and it's not going to be the same. It's just it's a feel thing, and there's no recipe to it. It's just what you see, what you smell, how you feel about it.